money, man, I don't need cash. The only thing I need is a shorty real bad.
Today I got my graduation package because I am done with my graduation picture. You can see it on my profile, so you can go there. So here I'm opening it now, and I really like the packaging. It's like really Pinoy style. So let's see what's inside my package. It's a Parker ball pen, a flash drive, and this. Actually, our college CCIP is color orange. That's why it's orange, and that's our school logo, university logo. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Stay safe.